Hey citizens, thanks for stopping by. Today's video, we're going to have an unboxing video of this Ingka Action Cam iS7. I bought this at the Gadget Plus in Festive Walk Mall in Mandurriao. It was cost approximately 3,000 pesos. The total price of this actually is 2,995 pesos in actual price, diba? So, today we're going to have an unboxing video. So simulan natin yung ating unboxing. But before that, let me show you the box. Here's the front of the box. It has a high definition quality, 1080p, Wi-Fi connection, and focus, waterproof to 30 meters. Yeah, 30 meters rather. So tingnan natin sa likuran. So here are the accessories of this action cam. Well, sa palagay ko kulang yan eh. Kulang accessories ng aking action cam, no? So walang suction cups, walang kung ano-ano. Yes. The storage card of the camera is limited up to 64 gigabytes. It's a USB 2.0 fast transfer, and it is HD port for HD display. So here are the specifications of my action cam: the lens, image, waterproof, memory, battery, screen. It is a 2-inch LCD screen, 1080p HD camera, Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi connection, micro USB, micro HD, and it is a multi-language. Go back to image. It has a 12 megapixel camera, 140 HD wide angle lens, and this portion. Here's the scan to download the app. I don't think this is not necessary at all. Pwede mo siya i-download sa Google App. At ito yung mga pwedeng panggamitin sa anumang sitwasyon. Lalo na kung gagamitin ko sa mga test drive, mga outdoor sports, mga swimming, kung ano-ano pa. At yan. That's it. Let's begin our unboxing of this action cam. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga features ng aking action cam, no? By the way, binili ko sa Festive Walk. Napaka-redundant sa akin, no? So ito po yung up and down para sa settings. In this button right here, it captures or records a video or a photo. In front, got your power button right here. And obviously you have your lens, and this one corresponds that this is HD 1080p and it has a Wi-Fi connection. And here's the brand itself, the Ingka iS7. Here's your screen itself, and at the bottom here's your storage of your battery, and this hole right here, I don't know what term that I could call it. Maybe it is suitable to stick in a tripod so that it could hold the camera itself. And obviously you have an SD card slot right here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, here. And that's about it of this action cam. Ibalik natin at i-set aside natin yung action cam. Let's set this aside and then put it in place, and right here. Now I remove the black box. As I slide this box or remove this black box right there on that box, I also have a user's manual. Put it on the side. And now let's open this black box. What is inside this black box? Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure you hit thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell button to get notified for my latest updates. And don't forget, follow all of my social media platforms. As always guys, I'll see you next time with for more latest videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and mabuhay guys!